they are so far gone, falling through the surface of the sun. Now here I am, blinded by the endless sun, 'cause I cannot survive the distant blue of life. I knew I had to get away, and I was searching for the moonlight. But I'm much better now. I'm not waiting for the moonlight, 'cause I'm hoping to find what's on the other side, across the borderline, where emptiness resides. It's a long time now since I gave up and left paradise, and all those dreams are memories, they're so far gone, falling through the surface of the sun. The stars are lights that draw me up into silver polar white. No sacrifice is this still fight, as deep as heaven's appetite. And I was searching for the moonlight, but I'm much better now. I'm not waiting for the moonlight, 'cause I'm hoping to find what's on the other side, across the borderline, where emptiness resides. But I'm much better now. I'm not waiting for the moonlight, 'cause I'm hoping to find what's on the other side. And I was searching for the moon.